please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
Now then, where are we? I'm just going to head to the local spa shop and ask them if they've got a big cardboard box to put my granddaughters in. All will be revealed. There we are. I rummaged through the skips and got myself some cardboard to make a nice little box. And I'm going to line it with these posters and make a little studio to sit my granddaughters in. I can bounce a flash off the ceiling into the little box and get some good photographs. It'll control them a bit more. It's not the baby, it's the 2-year-old that fidgets around. So if they're in this little box, should be able to get some good shots. That bus cost me £2.40. A fortnight ago it was £3. I think they just make it up as they go along. So when I go home from the station back to my stop, it should be £2.40. If it's any more, there'll be words to be had. Come to Morecambe and enjoy a lovely holiday. Right, I want to buy a few things. When I've had a few beers though, I want some box sealing tape, a Stanley knife and a little black book. Here we are, filming the Bay. I think it's about the 5th or 6th series. Just wandered through on the film set. See if anybody says oh. You've got some set up here, haven't they? Look at all this lot. The guy with the greyish coat on, forget his name, I'll put his name up. Got them fancy cameras and all that. And I think that's called a, is that called a dolly, that track that they run along? I don't know. What a, oh, a bit of rehearsals here. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, we can't be videoing right on set. You're more than welcome to stand back and watch
I'm in public.
Yeah, you are, yeah.
Standing by. You're not rolling too careful.
The lady come up, you can't be videoing on set. Who do they think they're talking to? Excuse me, she should have said, do you mind not videoing, or do you mind moving back a little bit? But you can't be videoing on set. Does she own the road? No. Right, I'm off set. Let's get in to Chieftain for a few beers. I've also been to see a Thai girl about making a little video in her establishment. Alright, just right, action. It's riveting stuff in here. We're talking about Oak Cliff Barns out of Dallas, Digger Barns,
But I've been after it for ages, and I bought it. But I think you should have got extra large.
Oh, is it the old?
It's a superb shirt.
Is it the League Cup final one?
Oh, FA Cup. Centenary final, look.
It's alright, isn't it? Proper one. How much you want for that?
It cost me 35, I'd give it for 12. But
I'll
think
try it
about
on.
it. Try it on.
Yeah, I don't mind that. I'll give you 20 quid for it. I remember when we first time went to Thailand, when was it? 87?
I joined, 89.
89. What was your first impressions when we got there? We didn't know anything about Thailand.
You're a bit overawed, aren't you? Yeah, it's like being in, what do you call it? Fantasyland, isn't it?
Yeah. But how did we cope? We knew nothing. Our hotels,
Our first week,
it was a long way away from that Pat Pong, wasn't it, in Bangkok?
our first day there, you're overawed, aren't you? You get hassled by everybody, don't you? By them selling outside, stood outside bars.
Yeah.
And then
we went up that step.
But
We bought all them drinks, didn't we? That was the first afternoon.
Yeah, we didn't know what we were doing then.
No.
But that was a
I
bit.
won't drink out. There was all like.
And they went mad, didn't they? They went
Yeah,
mad.
for what we've done here. And but we didn't buy a lot of drinks. We bought a few. But all them girls came to the table. We sat on our knee. And we had
We were a bit the overorders, didn't we?
There's like 20, 30 bottles of beer on our table.
Yeah. We were ripped off.
No, but I don't think we paid that much.
No. But when we got up and went, we went fucking ballistic, didn't we?
Yeah, but then they moved, when we were out, it was all done there. And I thought, what are we doing here?
Yeah. Did you?
I did, I thought,
On
yeah.
that first one.
And I remember later on that night, we were chatting to that guy, and we told him what had happened, and he kind of explained how it worked. We didn't know how it worked.
No, they just told all them lasses came over, didn't they? And they tried to intimidate in a way.
You buy me, didn't you? Pike, will you ever go back to Thailand? Do you want to, yeah?
Yeah, I'd like to go back, yeah.
On a tour with Owen?
Tour with Owen.
And maybe, I don't know
Whoever
whether,
else, yeah.
and just tour around,
and just
drinking beer,
having a laugh.
kissing women.
Kissing, yeah, that's all I'll be doing now.
And
kissing women.
just going around Chiang Mai, Udon Thai, Hue. It'll be good.
It will.
Remember when we went in 89?
89, tour of 89, yeah. When we were in our early 20s.
Cheap Charlie,
Chip Charlie.
the goat.
The goat. I fell in love with the goat.
2 weeks of absolute virginal experiences.
Virginia.
We didn't know anything about it, did we?
No.
Nothing. It was good though.
It was. Good time.
A
Good
long
laugh.
time ago.
Man.
We'll go again one day.
Well, it was, before we pop our clogs.
Before we pop our clogs.
Off this mortal coil.
Yeah. Anyway, enough of all this shit. I'm going to get this beer mark and say, over and out. Say it.
Over and out.
I've got some brown parcel tape. But if you see now, there's no on them. Not on them rolls anymore. 150 or any 3 for £3. I've got my thin box seam tape and it's like a scalpel set. I don't know what they stand knife, but this was only £1. But I haven't got my little black book. I've got a little black book with my poems in. I've got a bag, a toothbrush and a comb. Pink Floyd. I've had 7 pints out with Pike. and I want 17. I don't want to go home. I just want to continue it. Do you know what I mean? When you got that buzz on, you just want more. And I'm a bit drunk. Back, I'm going to boil an egg. I'm going to put myself a few chippy whippies in the oven. I'm going to make myself a salad. 50-50 healthy. And I'm saying, fuck it. I'm going to go to the spa and get myself a big bottle of cider. Listen to some music and stagger into bed. Why? Because I can. I've never tried this before, Thatcher's Gold. Any good? We'll soon find out. $5.75. 4 cans, that'll do me for tonight. My word. Has Uri Geller been round here? Never bent that one, has he? Pomau nit noi. It's hard work filming this when you've had a few. A little bit of cheese. I'm only messing about. A little bit of cucumber. The most annoying salad ingredient. You've got to peel all that plastic off. A little bit of salt and pepper. Not bad. The chips, maybe not. But it's not bad when you've got the munchies and you've had a few pints. Nice gherkin. A chip. And a piece of mature cheddar. What more do you want?
It's also so cold out here right now. My fingers are freezing from putting that tent up. I think I'm going to get my stuff inside the tent, open the tent door, and then we can chill out.
The problem is when you post that now, is that you always go down little roads. Hopefully, this won't be.
Villa just gone 2-0 up. Tell you what, football, co-commentators, no one beats. In my opinion, who am I to say, but in my opinion, Ali McCoist, head and shoulders above everybody else. What do you think? Who's your favourite? Now then, I've been chatting to a Thai girl who lives in Lancaster, and I'm going to make a little video for her. I'm also going to ask her if she'd be interested in answering some questions from my subscribers. Obviously I need some questions to ask her, so if you could leave some questions below in the comments, and then I'll have a word with her and see what she says. Now obviously be respectful. She was born in Bangkok and she's in her 30s, so if there's anything you'd like to know about her growing up in Bangkok, working, family life, her experiences, what she thinks of foreigners, all that sort of thing, put the questions below and I'll see if I can set up a little interview with her, and I think it should make some interesting footage.